Madgicx versus Revealbot, two powerful Facebook and Instagram ad automation tools, but they solve completely different problems. I've spent months testing both on real ad accounts, and the difference in approach is massive. If you're scaling ads and choosing between these, this breakdown will save you from picking the wrong one. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more ad tech comparisons. Quick context. Madgicx is an AI-powered creative and audience optimization platform. Think creative insights, audience targeting, and predictive analytics. Revealbot is a rule-based automation engine. You set triggers, it executes actions like budget shifts, bid adjustments, and campaign management. Madgicx focuses on what to advertise and to whom. Revealbot focuses on how to manage campaigns efficiently. Let's break down where each excels. Core strength. Madgicx's killer feature is creative intelligence. It analyzes which ad creatives perform best, identifies winning audience segments, and uses AI to predict what will work. You get heat maps showing where people look in your ads, creative scoring, and autonomous budget allocation based on performance. Revealbot doesn't touch creative analysis, it's purely about execution. You write rules like if ROAS drops below 2, pause the ad set, and it happens automatically 24/7. Automation philosophy. Madgicx uses AI-driven automation. It makes decisions for you based on machine learning. Revealbot uses rule-based automation. You define the logic. It follows orders. If you want hands-off AI optimization, Madgicx. If you want precise control with automated execution of your strategy, Revealbot. Audience targeting. Madgicx shines here. With Audience Launcher, it builds hyper-targeted audiences using first-party data, predicts lifetime value, and finds hidden segments. Revealbot doesn't build audiences, it manages them. You've already created audiences in Ads Manager. Revealbot scales budgets or pauses based on performance. Pricing. Madgicx starts at $49 a month, but realistically, you need their $99, $299 plans for serious features. Revealbot starts at $49 a month with full automation features unlocked, no tiered feature restrictions, just ad spend limits. For the same price, Revealbot gives you complete functionality, Madgicx gates advanced tools. Ease of use. Madgicx has a steeper learning curve. There's a lot happening. Creative analytics, audience tools, predictive metrics. Revealbot is simpler if you understand if, then logic. You're good. Set rules, done. Madgicx requires more time to master but offers deeper insights. Best use case. Madgicx wins if you're struggling with creative performance or audience targeting. It tells you what's working and why. Revealbot wins if you're managing multiple campaigns and need automated execution. It saves you from checking dashboards every hour. Bottom line, Madgicx is for marketers who need AI to guide their creative and targeting strategy. It's strategic intelligence. Revealbot is for marketers who know their strategy but need automation to execute it flawlessly at scale. It's operational efficiency. They're not competitors, they solve different problems. Pick based on your bottleneck. That's the honest breakdown. If this helped you decide, hit like, subscribe for more ad tech deep dives, and check the description for trial links to both platforms. Catch you in the next one.